Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So Muaz, what are these?
Car and skating.
And whose are these?
Mine.
So these are two gifts from Muaz's birthday, and he got this all-terrain vehicle, an ATV RC car by Yamaha. And over here is a skateboard from Muaz.
That has a helmet
So it's a
and
six-piece.
shoulder pads.
So it's a 6-piece skateboard. So you guys can see these two. So we're gonna start unboxing with this, and we'll put this on the side for now.
Yay.
So let's put this on the side.
Yay.
And now we're gonna start opening this. So this is a 6-piece combo. It has a helmet, the skateboard, knee pads, and shoulder pads. So we have
The helmet.
the helmet. So here's the shoulder pads, and here are the knee pads. And let me just take this out first.
And
there. Skateboard.
And here's
So there's some parts attached to the helmet you gotta get off.
these are the knee pads. Let's see. So this is how they are. As usual. And shoulder pads are smaller.
So over here is also a booklet little.
And this is the helmet, and as it said, it has a head adjustment thing.
So here it is. So Muaz is probably gonna learn to use it indoors first before going outdoors. So here's the skateboard.
And helmet,
But I guess you
knee
can
pads.
put your knee pads and stuff like that.
That
Maybe no.
is
So let's put this on the side and unbox the second thing. So this is a Yamaha YXZ 1000R.
So this is a real life vehicle as well. This is just an RC model.
So here it is. You can see it's red or orange, something like that. So let's open it up.
So this is how it looks like when it's out of the box. So it said on the box it has full functioning suspension, like it's showing at the back. So it does work. And on this one, that is a cool feature. So that's how the back of the box looks like. And the ins here, the cabin, and the bottom.
So from the bottom, you had to connect the battery by opening it, and batteries were included, so you had to put them in the remote. So Juan, want to try now?
Nice thing.
I'm gonna put it back here.
Whoa! That was quick!
And now Juan, you can turn.
Oh!
Wait, let me try this. So I'm gonna put this in front, and now go over it once. Oh no, it doesn't work like that.
no.
So what if we put it like over here? Now.
Wow.
So what if you do like that?
So,
Whoa.
see, when it got off, it literally bounced. That's
So that has like.
Want to do it?
Whoa! That is fast.
That's fast. Want do you like it?
Yeah. Are you gonna be racing? Yes.
Yes? Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.